What is going on, everybody? Thank you for clicking the link. This is your boy Crisis 20, where real tutorials will take you to the next level. So today, guys, we are going to be doing something different today. I am revamping my whole office in its entirety. I am swapping out furniture. I'm taking out most of the stuff that you see here today. I'll roll a clip of what my room used to look like. I'm going to remove a lot of different things. The black table that you previously saw in that clip is gone. I'm already taking down the nano leaves. I'm gonna take down the swag on the wall. The RGB lights that you saw on my table and around the table, that failed on me. I guess its life took its course. I'm gonna change around everything. And I want you guys to just be a part of me through this whole process. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed the journey, all right? Let's get right to it. All right, guys, so pretty much you're going to watch me take down everything. I'm gonna take down all of this stuff. My desk is going to be a whole different L-shaped desk. The paint here, I'm trying out paint. I'm going for a darkish gray. It's gonna suit my theme once you guys see the theme. I mean, it's gonna be crazy. The way I have it mentally in my head, it's gonna be bananas. So I hope you guys will stay tuned and see that whole process. It's gonna be crazy. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be tearing down pretty much everything and painting my room and going through this whole process, guys. So come vibe with me and let's go ahead and let's start removing all this crap. All right, so as you plainly saw, I took everything, well, mostly everything off the wall. I forgot about the glide lights, but that'll come off. So my next steps is to patch the walls, sand it down, and then I'm going to repaint all 4 of these walls. All right, so that is the next step. So stay tuned with me. All right, guys, it's more to come.